Greetings, fellow couponers and shoppers. Today is Friday, December 17th, and this is first week of a 2-week sale. It's a 2-week sale and a 2-week circular that's going on this sale cycle. It's not a mega sale, but there is a 5-time digital event going on. We have some weekly deals. I picked up a couple of those. Some BOGO deals. I did one of those. And I ended up doing 3 separate transactions, and I'll explain it as we go along. And some things rang up kind of weird. First of all, these are the posts as part of the 5-time digital event. You have to download the coupon, e-coupon. It's $1 off. That makes these $1.79. And for some reason, one of mine rang up at $2.09. The other 4 rang up at $1.79. And it says it's a great grain, so I checked the barcodes. These 2 barcodes are the same. Those 2 barcodes are the same. So I don't know why one rang up at $2.09 and the others at $1.79. So anyway, that's and one other item. I don't know what I did with it. It's hidden in here somewhere. It's the greenie cat treats. They were it was 50 cents off. They were right here a minute ago. So anyway, it's hiding somewhere in this pile. Oh, here it is. Sneak it around back. Yeah, one of these greenies, the hairball control. They were regularly $2.49, and the e-coupon took 50 cents off, made that $1.99. Now, one of the sales that's going on is this for $6 or $1.50 a piece. For the and that includes the slices and the shreds. Now I had 2 e-coupons for $1 off of 2, and something strange happened on the way. That they must being store coupons for the 4 for 6 deal. That's a store coupon that I guess it says right here, 4 for 6 store coupon. And the e-coupons were also store coupons. Well, it kicked me out of the 4 for 6 because 2 of them rang up at $1.29 and 2 of them rang up at $1.50. So I didn't quite get $1, pay $6 and end up paying $4. That didn't work. Ended up paying $5.60 for the. So the e-coupons did help there. See, I had a e-coupon for this pesto. I think it's on sale for $2.79. I believe it's the pesto is on sale for $2.99, and Ibotta Rebate for 75 cents and a Kroger CashBack for 75 cents. So it'll make that $1.49. And an e-coupon, I believe it was 50 cents off of this Dole pineapple, which which made this $1. These were on sale for $1.50. And I picked up one of these Chef's Life cooking oils. Well, actually, careful here. This one's got 4 different oils in it, and it says, and this is use this oil for cooking. One of them said use this oil for preparation or something, I believe it said, and one said use this oil for finishing. I don't know what all that means, but I saw cooking, and I thought, okay, and it's got all 4 of them, because the other 2 only had 3 of the oils in it. And that's on sale for $6.99, and there's an Ibotta rebate for $4. So it makes that $2.99. That's a real good deal and this is 16.9 fluid ounce. So that's a pretty good deal for olive oil or cooking oils, sunflower oil, grapeseed oils, whatever. Now I did pick up 2 weekly digital deals. The butter is $1.79. I mean $1.97, I believe it was, and the where's it at on here? And the Kroger coffee was $3.97. That's right here, coffee. Now I had one. I believe that's what those prices were. I picked up the Sabra hummus. These are on BOGO, and they are $3.99 a piece, full price. So I ended up paying $3.99 for the 2 of them. But over on Fetch Rewards, I got a 2,000 point bonus, which is equivalent to what, $2, and also got 39 points, so I got a total of 2,039 points. And last but not least is a Smithfield ham. These are on sale. This is part of the, it's on the circular wherever I did with it, of 99 cents a pound. And then plus there's got these 2X fuels for a lot of the fresh vegetables and fresh meats and seafoods and stuff like that. So this one was $7.26. That's not bad. That's a $7 pound ham. It's one of the smaller ones. Of course, they had the humongous ones that I did not want. Okay, so I'm heading out the door. Got everything paid for. Heading out the door and realized that I forgot to pay for a 20-pound bag of Pet Pride cat litter. It was on the bottom shelf or bottom rack of the cart. So I went over to the lady at the self-checkout and told her, hey, I forgot to pay for this. And so she said, no problem. I didn't have to go back and get back in line. So she let me check out with that. Okay. So after I got done with that, I decided to go back in and do another transaction. And I picked up 5 of these Cheerios. Now this is a separate 5-time digital event coupon that's different from the Post one. And so I picked up 5 of these plain Cheerios, and I had a Catalina coupon, one of those that spits out of the Catalina machine, that for $1.50 off of 3, and that scanned, so that was no problem. I also had an e-coupon for these cheese slices are free, and that came off. So I didn't want to do this in conjunction with that, because these are part of the 4 for $6 also, and I knew I had those e-coupons, and I didn't know if it was going to mess up that. That ended up being messed up anyway because of the e-coupon. So anyway, that was a separate transaction. So I ended up doing 3 transactions. I don't know what the breakdown is going to be, but that's pretty much it for today. I don't know about next week. Next, what is it? Saturday is Christmas. Any day of the week next week in Kroger, it will probably be hectic. It'll probably be clustered up in there. Everybody waits to the last minute to go get all their holiday food when they should have been doing it last week and this week. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.